In this video, you'll learn how to edit the footer using Webflow. By following these instructions, you will be able to make changes to your website's footer seamlessly. First, navigate to the Webflow dashboard by entering the Webflow website in your browser. Once the page loads, ensure you are signed into your account. If prompted, enter your credentials to access your dashboard. After accessing the dashboard, locate the section labeled Sites on the left sidebar. Here, you will see a list of your projects. Review the list and identify the site you want to edit. This is crucial, as selecting the correct site is the first step in accessing the footer. Next, click on the name of the site you wish to edit. This action will take you to the specific site management page. Once this page loads, look for the button labeled Open in Webflow. Click this button to launch the Webflow Designer interface for your selected site. Once the Webflow Designer is open, focus on the main design area. Scroll down the page until you reach the footer section of your website. This section is usually located at the bottom of the page. Click directly on the footer area to select it. You will know it is selected when you see a bounding box around it, indicating it is ready for editing. After selecting the footer, look for the option labeled Edit Footer in the right-hand panel. Clicking this option will allow you to make various changes to the footer content, including text, links, and images. Ensure to review the changes you want to implement before proceeding. Now, edit the footer content as desired. You can modify text, add new elements, or remove existing ones. Be aware of how these changes may affect the overall design and functionality of your site. Once you've completed your edits, review everything to ensure it appears as intended. Finally, after making all necessary edits, look for the Publish button in the upper right corner. Clicking this button will save your changes and update your live website. Depending on your internet speed and file sizes, this process may take a few moments. Wait for the confirmation message indicating that your site has been published successfully. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.